Hello student, here in today's video, in today's class, we shall discuss about indirect narration. And in the series of indirect narration, which we are continuing, we have already finished present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. Now we shall discuss about present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, we shall discuss about all the four kinds of sentences, that is affirmative, negative, interrogative yes or no type, interrogative WS type. I'll tell you every required thing, giving you examples. So let's begin with the very first question. It is about present perfect continuous tense, where we shall discuss about indirect narration. For better understanding of indirect narration, you must know what is direct narration. We have already discussed about it. So, example number 1. The very first example that we have, Abhi said to Asmita, comma, inverted comma, as usual, you know very well. Abhi said to Asmita. Then present perfect continuous tense. You have been living here since 2015. Abhi said to Asmita, you have been living here since 2015. So you can see this is an example of present perfect continuous tense. In present perfect continuous tense, subject has or have plus been plus ing form of verb along with object, since or for, and time given. So the indirect narration for this, Abhi told, said to will change into told Asmita. Abhi told Asmita. Then conjunction that you have been living here. For whom we are using you? Asmita. So she had been. If reporting verb is in past tense, we change it into past perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense. So, she had been living. Here will change into there. Since 2015. Furthermore, the next sentence that we are going to discuss related to negative. For negative, rules are similar. She said to me. She said to me. I have not been. She said to me, I have not been participating in the competition. She said to me, I have not been participating in the competition. So, it is negative. So simple, similar to that. She told me. She told me. Then conjunction that. She told me that I. Who is I? She told me that in place of I, we are going to use she. That she. Then, as usual, simple change is there. Present perfect continuous will change into past perfect continuous. She had not been participating in the competition. No use of comma or quotation mark. Now the third one, that is interrogative yes or no type. For interrogative yes or no type, there must be a question. Rama said to Ravana. Rama said to Ravana, have you been? Have you been? So it is a question, yes or no type. I have been, have I been? Have you been? Reading in Lanka for 2 days. Have you been hiding in Lanka for 2 days? So it is a question. Rama said to Ravana will change into asked. Rama asked Ravana. For conjunction in such cases which are known as interrogative yes or no type, we use if or whether. We are free to use if or whether. So Rama asked Ravana if Have you, we change it into affirmative. From interrogative, we change it into affirmative. So, have you been? If he, it is about Ravana, and for Ravana, he. If he had been hidden in Lanka for 2 days. If he had been hidden in Lanka for 2 days. I hope this is clear. Now the fourth one. That is the last one in this video. It is about interrogative WS type. Komal said to Hari, why have you been? Otherwise, why has Ram been? For Ram singular has. Why has Ram been killing a deer? Why has Ram been killing a deer? So Komal said to Hari, Komal asked Hari. In such cases where we have WH word, we need not add any conjunction. The same question word will act as conjunction. So, why? Furthermore, the remaining sentence we are going to change into affirmative. So, has Ram been killing? Rama has been killing in present perfect continuous, and we have to change the tense as well. So, why Ram had been killing a deer. Why Ram had been killing a deer. Once again a recapitulation. Abhi said to Asmita, you have been living here since 2015. Abhi told Asmita that she had been living there since 2015. She said to me, I have not been participating in the competition. She told me that she had not been. I had not been. For she, that she had not been participating in the competition. Rama said to Ravana, have you been hidden here? Have you been hidden in Lanka for 2 days? Rama asked Ravana if or whether he had been hidden in Lanka for 2 days. Komal said to Hari, why has Ram been killing a deer? Komal asked Hari, why Ram had been killing a deer. I hope you understood. That's all for the day. Have a nice day.